Perfect timing. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a really warm, rich cherry cola brunette. So we're going to be adding in a lot of warm tones on top of her existing highlights and dark hair, and then adding in extensions. So if you're interested to see this transformation, stay tuned.
Okay, so here is the formula that we are using, and I am mixing it with 10 volume to give it a little more grip and a better consistency. So we are just putting this all over. Her hair is dark. Her natural is like a level 4 or 5, and then we did do highlights on her a little bit ago, so she has those existing highlights faded out. So basically this color is just going to enhance her dark hair, but where she has the highlights, it's going to grab on and take even brighter and more vibrant. And really we're just kind of wanting to go for like a cherry cola. She wants to be dark and stay brunette, but just have like a hint of this red and warmth in the sun. So basically we're just applying it roots to ends. We're going to let it sit about 35 minutes and then we're going to rinse it out. So these are the extensions we're using. We're using the Bailey, which is a dark brown, kind of like a soft black, and then the Bentley, which is like a medium to dark brown, and then the Kendra, which is a highlighted brunette. And we are going to deepen the Kendra so that it really matches that warm red brown cherry cola tone that we're doing. So we are taking the Kendra here and custom coloring, and I'm just using that same formula that we used on her own hair. So I'm just doing this in our break room. We have a big utility sink, which is really nice because it makes custom toning and coloring so much easier. And then I'm also doing this to the Bentley just to warm them up a little bit, and then I kept the Bailey as is. So I'm adding this color in, and then I'm letting these sit for about 20 minutes, but it's really important to remember when custom coloring extensions, you have to watch them. You can't really just say, oh, it's 20 minutes and walk away. You really need to watch because they are porous and they can take quickly. So this is what they look like as they are processing. And this is what they look like when they're done. And here they all are laid out and ready to be put in her hair. Sometimes extensions can look scary when they're all laid out like that, but just tell your client to trust the process. This is what they look like once we've gotten them in her hair. We did 2 rows and we did the 24-inch J-tied wefts. And then I was doing a photo shoot, so Krista jumped in and helped me blend while she was getting her hair done. And then it was time to style, and this is the finished result. Let me know if you guys liked this video, and I'll catch you next time.